I have this business proposal that I want to share with you. If you're looking for a way to make extra income, add to what you're already doing, this business deal is going to profit you. And this is something that you can do on a long term basis. So it's not just a one-click business where you do today and then the next day you don't do again. There is so much opportunities in agriculture that can bring you money while you do what you love doing. You know, one thing I've learned as a farmer, as a trader of agro-commodities, is that depending on one source of income is deadly. It's a deadly mistake that I made myself. I've shared this countless time here on this channel. When my business was doing well, I was making money. My rice processing factory was generating nothing less than 20 million per month. My layer pen was giving me thousands and thousands of naira per week. My pig farm was doing well. In fact, I was trading yam. I would load yam from Benin State to Lagos, sell to Lagos market, make a lot of money. So all my investment was tied in agriculture. All. Or if I have one kobo, I will invest in agriculture. If $1 should enter my account, I will invest in agriculture. It's either I'm buying more machines to process high quality rice, or I am using the machine to stock more chicken, or I'm using the machine to expand my pig farm. Because the pig farm I was using, it was a rented property that could house more than 200 to 2,000 pigs. So my joy was that let me fill this place up. So I invested a lot of money in those sectors. But guess what? I lost everything in less than 3 months. This was in 2021. Because of that loss, I was depressed. In fact, it was just God that the depression did not lead to death. I was sent to prison. My bank account was frozen. I lost my investors' money. I was dragged on social media. So many newspapers took me as a fraudster, and so many other mistakes that I made. And all this was because I invested all my money into agriculture. Now let me give you this story that is going to burst your brain, and you learn from this story because I learned this from Femi Otedola. Now Femi Otedola is one among the richest people we have in Africa currently, and he wrote his book Making It Big, which came out, I think that was this year or late last year. And people were, oh, the book is meant for how can a rich man, what can a rich man teach me? This one, I will not read the book. You know what Nigerian youth did? I bought the book, 25,000. I used my money, bought the book. And one thing that stood out for me was that Femi Otedola was doing business when oil was booming in Nigeria. He was supplying diesel to almost all the factories, the big factories, the colonial masters. He was supplying diesel to them here in Nigeria, big offices, big companies. He was making billions. Along the line, due to change of government policy, he lost everything in less than a month. From a billionaire, he sold, and what helped him, based on what he narrated in that book, was that he had invested money in real estate. He has properties in Port Harcourt, properties in Abuja, properties in Lagos. So what happened was that when his debt profile was more than 2.5 billion, he sold all the estates. He sold his shares that he bought from other companies to settle the debt. So why am I giving you this story? He did not invest in one place. So while I read that book, I sat down and asked myself, what was your mistake? I invested every dang kobo in agriculture. Femi Otedola was wise. He bought shares from banks, different banks, Zenith Bank, First Bank, UBA Bank. He bought shares from those banks. He bought properties not just in Lagos. He have houses in Port Harcourt, in Abuja. So when oil company or oil business was touched, he sold the shares he bought, liquidate the shares, sold his properties, and pay the debt. So you watching me right now, I know for sure you have a business you're doing that is making you big money. That for sure. But settle down and ask yourself today, if something bad happened to that business or that job you're doing, how long will it take you to survive with the current small savings that you have? So you don't need to wait until you get to a point where you don't have anything like me and then you start looking for money. Right now, as you're watching this video, you can start making money from agriculture. Whether you're based in Nigeria or whether you're based in Benue or Kanu, your physical location does not matter. What you need is the right people to work with. Right now, sir, I sit here, I have people that do business with in Ghana. Of course, I've been to Ghana, but I don't base in Ghana. Right now, as I'm sitting here, I have people in Cameroon that I supply commodities to, that supply commodities to me. So your location does not matter. You can do this business and you make big money. Now, without wasting your time, let me break down this business for you so you understand. So last week, one of my clients, some of the people that I work with that deals on ginger, they reach out to me. They say, oh, billionaire farmer, we have ginger. They sent me pictures of the volume of ginger they have. These are people that I know. I've visited their warehouse. I've visited their farm. I've seen how they offtake ginger from other farmers. So what they do is that they cultivate ginger on a commercial scale in Kaduna State. Not just that, they also offtake from other smallholder farmers. Farmers who did 1 hectare, 2 plot, 3 plot. They buy all this, take it to their warehouse, clean it up. I've been to the warehouse. They slice it. They pay some of the local women. They clean everything for them and they store. When they store and the price is fair for them, they resell. So they reach out to me and say, look, we want to sell this ginger, and since we have the network, we want you to work with us. Here is your commission. Take this product, bring us buyers, sell, and make this commission. I look at the deal, I was like, yeah, it's not bad. This is what I do. So I don't have to go now and start saying, I need to go and buy land and cultivate my ginger. It is not bad for you to do it. In fact, I encourage people to go into ginger cultivation to a point where some of those guys that I met in Kaduna State, I brought the guy to my community on Telegram. I say, okay, some people who are interested in cultivating ginger, guide them, teach them how to do this business. And he has been doing that. In fact, early last year, or let me say around October, November last year, he guided more than 10 people who bought ginger where it was selling for 150,000. They bought the ginger seed. He showed them how to preserve the ginger. They carved the ginger in their warehouse right now. And now, if they want to resell that ginger, they are going to make nothing less than 200,000 or 150 per bag of ginger, because right now a bag of ginger is selling for 380 to 350 to 380 per bag of fresh ginger, which is meant for planting, because planting starts anything March, any April. People will start planting their ginger, so the price of fresh ginger is over the roof right now. But I'm referring to dry ginger. How can you make money from this dry ginger right now, even without leaving your job, even without touching the soil, even without doing buying and selling or buying and storage of ginger? Those ones are good, but we need to start making money right now, so that when we now harvest our ginger that we have planted, the whole deal will make sense to us. So how much is a ton of ginger? A ton of ginger right now is 13 million naira. Now this price depends on quality. This price depends on quality. Because one thing I've learned about this ginger business, or let me say agro-commodities, and when it comes to export market, is that quality matters more than the quantity. So you can have 10 tons of ginger and maybe you're begging people to pay you 5 million per ton because of the quality of the ginger, the potency of the ginger. But the ginger we have, Nigeria ginger that is grown from Kaduna State, the price is not cheap. So 30 million naira is our asking price. So if you need ginger, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp and I will take you to Kaduna State, take you to our warehouse in Kanu and in Kaduna State, and you see the ginger, bargain with the sellers directly, and if you're okay, you do your purchase. So 13 million is their asking price. They have more than 100 tons of that ginger right now as I speak. So if you're into export and you buy in large quantity, let's do the business together. I'll connect you with them, you negotiate with them, whatsoever they are okay. Me, I will just make sure they give you quality. I will make sure they don't cheat you. That is my job, because you are my client, they are my client. So I'll make sure you get high quality ginger. So now let's look at it this way. I have many people who are based abroad that they tell me, oh, billionaire farmer, I want to go into exportation. How can we do it? This is how you can do it, by bringing the contact buyers of ginger while I handle the supply. My company, Billionaire Farmer Agro Sales Network, our job is to bring you high quality product, for ginger to hibiscus to soya beans to seasonal seed, all agro commodities that you need in large quantity. My company can source it for you, clean it for you, help you with exportation. So beginner will ask me, hey, if I want to do this export, I think I need export license, I don't have this documentation. You don't need them. Your job is to get people who need this product. So where you're based, say you're based in the US, or you're based in any of the European countries, or you're based in China, and you know the Chinese people, they are here, they buy ginger in large quantity, and if you know some of the factories that process ginger, or you know some of the stores that brand ginger to resell, you can reach out to them and let them know that you have ginger. Now before you do that, me and you, we need to communicate. You understand the business, there are things that I can explain to you, you understand it very well, and when you reach out to these people and they are willing to do the business with us, then we can draft an agreement, we send to them. Once they are okay with it, you are there with them, you know where they are. My job is to source for you here and send to you. You don't need to come back to Nigeria. I've been saying this over and over. You don't need to be in Nigeria to invest in Nigeria. There are many businesses that you can do that have low risks. I know many people are trying to invest in Nigeria and the businesses fail. It's normal in business. Not that the person that did the business with you and the business failed is a cheater or is a fraudster. Many times, no. Because business fail everywhere, any part of the world. So if you're coming into trading of agro commodities, you need to understand the business so that you can minimize the potential risks that is there or loss that is there. So this ginger contract, I decided to publish it here because I know many people can do this business. You don't need to have 13 million naira. You don't need to have 40 million naira. All you need to do is to have people who are buying ginger. All you need to do is to establish contact with people who are processing ginger. And when you know they are processing ginger and they need ginger, you know how much they are paying per ton. When you know how much they are paying per ton, you match with the price I'm giving you now, 13 million per ton. You understand the quality they need. You understand all their specification, oil quantity, because there are some companies that buy for oil processing, ginger oil. So you need to know what they are doing with it. In fact, they will be the one to tell you. When you have all that, you reach out to me. My job is to source the ginger for you and supply to you. So if this is a business opportunity that you want to tap into, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. Let's start the business ASAP. No wasting of time. And also, I want to plead with you. You have to understand that the price I mentioned now is current price. So if you reach out to me by, say, December, or you reach out to me by April or May, the price might not be 13 million per ton. But for now, this is the average price we are selling per ton. So reach out to me and let's do the business. If you want to also learn exportation, you want to start your own export business, you can reach out to me. I connect you with my boss who is into exportation for more than 15 years. He will guide you and show you how you can start doing your own exportation business and connect you with buyers, because that is where the major business starts. So thank you for watching this video. If you have gotten value, and even if you don't want to do the business, you can share the video with some other person who are looking for side hustle, something that can bring them money, and I will do business with them, and God will bless you for doing that. Thank you so much for watching. I remain Dennison. You can call me Billionaire Farmer.